Now you can choose, depending how you feel, okay, or the possibility of doing it if you have a wall. So, or you put the legs on the wall. I show you the two options. Or, so, if you go to the wall, you put the bum really close, you lift in the legs, and you stay with the legs there, opening. Yeah. Now, if you don't have a wall close by and it's not comfortable, you stay lying down on your back with the knees bending again, with your blocks beneath your thighs to make it comfortable, and you lengthen and spread. Yeah. So here or on the wall. Yeah. And just allow your spine in both positions. Allow your spine to lengthen and to expand. Again, take a moment now that you were in the pose for a few breaths. Move the head a little, so catch your head again, lengthen in the back of the neck to make your spine more long, and relax your arms, your shoulder blades. Yeah? So nice and comfy. Relax, surrender to the floor, and just visualize again your cocoon of pink light surrounding you, protecting you. With each breath, you are receiving that light into every single cell of your body and yourself. And from the floor, from the roots, from the planet, you receive that nourishing energy to fill your whole self with all the kind of qualities that you need in this present moment. And just surrender and let go into the arms of the planet, into the arms of that loving energy. Then slowly, really slowly, if you are on the wall, you can roll slowly, bending your legs, rolling to the side. Stay on the side a little bit. And then you can go to a sitting position. And if you are lying down on the floor, just start to close your legs and stretch your legs for a moment. And if you were on the wall, now you lying down on your back. Also, we stretch your legs. We stretch your arms here. Take a nice soft stretch, but comfortable. So bring your arms behind your back, but not too close to your head. Yeah? Open your arms like a more, so you can feel the shoulder blades on the floor. Open the legs a little bit wider, yeah, like out of the mat. Yeah, nice and wide. And taking an impulse on the breathe out, relax your lower back into the floor. So press your lower back into the floor. The belly is a little bit in. So you stretch your body, but you try to catch the lower back into the floor. Lengthening the back of the neck, expanding your shoulder blades, pressing lower back, pressing hips into the floor and extending your legs without tensing, just spreading. Yeah, imagine that your legs want to go away from your hips. Yeah, your hips are grounding, your lower back is grounding, and your legs are like expanding away, and your arms the same, but grounding through the shoulder blades. Your neck is nice and expanding on the floor. And then relax, soften, and let the body adapt to the position wherever is okay. Stay a moment in that position. Yeah, it's a beautiful receiver pose. Yeah? And then relax. And you go from there into Shavasana, into a more comfortable position. Yeah, you can close your legs if you like a little bit more, and the arms more comfortable. You can put your blanket if you like. Yeah, you stay there. I will lead you from there into relaxation. Try to keep anyway that open sensation. Yeah, don't go into closing. And then again, visualize your cocoon of pink, loving, caring light surrounding you. Visualize those wonderful energies that are coming from the planet itself. And imagine that we make with those energies just one full beam of energy, a channel. Yeah, we put all those energies together to concentrate that power. A beautiful soft sensation. Yeah? And imagine that light, that energy, that channel, that beam of energy, now ready to enter into your feet to provide you with more relaxation, more peace, more comfort, but that wonderful nutrition and nourishment for your whole self that will last the whole week. Yeah? So imagine that energy on the sole of your feet, moving now toward your toes, passing to the top of your foot and your ankle, and then into your legs, your knees, your thighs. They are moving, that energy is moving into your hips, your lower back, your spine, your middle back, upper back, shoulder blades, shoulders. And then it's moving through your arms, toward your hands, your fingers. And then into your wrists, elbows, shoulders, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the crown of your head, your face, your neck, your chest, your belly. Allowing your body to surrender completely to the floor and going deeply inside now and relax, relax, relax. slowly, really slowly, allow your awareness to get back to your body and start to bring some movements to your hands, to your feet, moving your fingers, your toes, moving your head side to side, and bringing your arms back and lengthen and stretch. And from there we fall to one side again and we go to a sitting position, crossing your legs and breathing deeply. You can bring your hands, if you like, to your chest, to your belly. With your hands wide open, imagine that you are in that touch, you are connecting more deeply with this feeling, you are saving this feeling in your body, but also in your hands. So imagine that you have that power on your hands. So after you can use that connection and that energy whenever you need it and wherever you need it to put in your body. And by practice, by repetition, you will start to feel an energy field in your hands. And it's a beautiful feeling, and you can imagine that you are helping to heal yourself with your own power. We are bringing our power back to ourselves. And give a big thanks to yourself for taking the time to come to class, to join this class tonight. And I thank you for sharing your time and your practice with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Claudia.